Alright, hi folks. My name is Dan Dow. I'm going to be your instructor for your portfolio class for your IMED 2311 with it. So let me go over the syllabi with you and explain what's going on with it as well. So I assume that you're able to log into eCampus and all the stuff with it. So this platform everything is through the web. This class is 100% online, asynchronous communication with it as well. Anyways, just some brief information about me. Email is the best way to email me, to contact me. I'll do my best to answer. Give me 24 hours to reply to the email. A couple of things is that if you could for me, please use eCampus to send an email. And when you do send an email, please tell me what course you're in, what section you're in with it. It just helps for me to identify you are. So I teach 3 of these sections, and I just need to know who belongs to what section, what's going on in the syllabi with it as well. So that will help me with that. And put your name on your email, your official name or whatever name you want to be called. Your email handle does not tell me who you are that you're emailing from. All right, so do that for me. That's what communication with it. I'm not in the office this semester. Everybody's home, working from home with it because of COVID-19. This is my office number, so I just want to let you know what's going on with it. This is our course. This is our section number. This is our semester. I have to mention that is September the 5th is the last day to withdraw with a W on your transcript. November the 12th is the last day to withdraw with a W on there. So I usually grade things within 5 business days with it. So to get a turnaround with it. So by the time you'll get progress grades and all the stuff with it, also 2 progress grades. The first progress grade is in first 6 weeks. The second progress grade is in the second 6 weeks, which is the 12th week. So 6 weeks, 12 weeks, and then 18 weeks is when you get your final grades with it. All right. Everything I have, there's a couple of prerequisites for this class. You need to have at least the IMED 1301, Introduction to New Media, some sort of digital imaging class you've taken with us, and some sort of Web 1 coding with it. So I'm a programmer by trade with it. That's what I do. I create websites for a living. So if you could, make sure you have these 3 classes to start your portfolio for this class with it. Alright, so this is a capstone class for our AAS degree, and there's a level 2 certificate as well. Alright, so make sure this is the class that you need to have. I'm not going to read through every one of these things. I'll let you read, and you can do all the stuff with it as well. So on page 2, I talked about the required lab hours. Again, nobody's coming on campus to do anything on campus this semester because of COVID-19. So you're going to be all doing this from at home with it. So make sure you have that. Multimedia Learning Center operation, we don't have open labs this semester, so I strike through all of this, so no students on campus at all this semester. All my material that I will provide for you is handouts. They're all handouts with it, so the only thing I ask you to do is you need to have a computer. It'd be nice if you have a PC. It would be nice if you have some storage device with it. In the past, I've had students that don't have computer, don't have internet, and they end up taking my classes online, coming to the lab every day. So with it, again, you're getting into a portfolio class. This is somewhat of a technology class. You need to have some of these tools on hand with it as well. All right. So, anyways, do anybody still use CDs and DVDs anymore? I don't think so. I don't know why that's there. Grade how I assess you. If you take a look at this right here, this is very important. Is that I give release dates and then when it's due. Everything that you see here on the due dates is due at midnight, all right, of the day. Let me repeat. Let's say September the 2nd, 20. You're asked to turn in an assignment like the syllabus quiz. Everything is due at midnight. If it's past midnight, the link will disappear. All right. So make sure you get that thing done for me. Can you do that? So we're going to go through here. I add up all this. It should add up to 1,000 points in the semester with it. And this is how you actually break down where you stand in this class with it. For most part, this class is really fun. It's neat. It's project-based. I designed it to be project-based so for you to build with it as well. So make sure you're able to keep up with the material. Don't flake out on me. Don't disappear on me. or anything like that. Okay, so just stay in touch with me with as well. Attendance, like I said, attendance. I use discussion boards, so make sure in the first week, if you're getting financial aid, I need for you to do discussion board 1. I need everybody to do discussion board 1. All of our discussion boards that you see here, they're video format. All of this are all videos. Do not reply in text. You have to create a video, and you're going to upload that video to YouTube, and you send me the link on there. Okay, so I will talk to you a little bit more about that as well. Coming down here, just some comments I want to make for this in this class with it as well. So you paid to be here. Everybody paid to be here with it. So I need for you to be responsible. Okay, so again, just help me out here with it. What I'm saying is that anytime when you miss a class, well, this is an online class with it, so all the instructions I'm going to provide for you, it's on some sort of video format that I'm going to deliver for you. All right. So if don't worry about it if it's some of the stuff I say in here, because I used to teach the same class that's on campus as well. The second point is successful grade comes from consistent attendance and your presence to demonstrate motivation and accountability of your work. What in this class, besides you developing the portfolio, what you need to know is I'm developing your work ethics. That's what this is. All right. So make sure you are able to show up on time and complete your on-time work with that as well. High school students, you have an opportunity to take this class every 6 weeks. You get, you get progress grades and all this stuff with it as well. So I'm going on my 22nd year actually being here with it. Your attendance relates to how you work in industry. Okay, so if you come to class late every day, guess what? It's going to be very similar to that you're going to work with it as well. So poor attendance causes poor, bad feeling, and you're doing a disservice to your teammates, because a lot of the meetings, if you're on time and you're collaborating, you offer some stuff that's happening with it, so you should be there with it. But if you're making a habitual being late and you're not showing for work and all the stuff with it as well, that's not a good sign. Again, it's all about the attendance with it as well. So I have to remove this mulligan part right here for now, okay? Because people just got too abusive with it as well. So I make sure you just get this in on time and with it. And I changed this as that every day that's late, I'm going to take off 10 points from the assignment. Okay, so it's basically as 10 points off from each of the assignments with it. All right. So make sure you do that for me. If you get it on time, if it's medical documentation on you only, then we can actually accept it, or I take off 10 points every day per day. Okay, so that's how that's going to work with it. Give me a couple of days, 2-3 days to actually grade all the assignments. I'll get it back to you. All right. So especially I need to release, if you're missing a quiz, or there is no quiz or exam for this class, so don't worry about it. You're going to have all the grades report are put under eConnect. So after the first 6 weeks, you get some grades. The second 6 weeks, you get a set of grades, and then you get the final score. All right. I know I said 2-3 days, and then I said 5-7. So give me about 5 days with it as well. I normally stay on top of everything with it until if I distracted or if I forget or something like that. And a lot of times it falls through the crack with it. All right. I'm just going to let you read through a lot of this stuff with it. These are some of the stuff that we're doing. I just want to share with you. Use this table right here with it is the beginning and dates and ending time with it as well. Okay, I'll talk more about this as the time comes with it as well. So feel free to go through here and read through here and everything that we have. All right. So that concludes the. After this, I would like for you to go to the discussion board and go in and create a video, a 2 to 3 minutes video. Give me an introduction of yourself. Tell me what type of skill sets that you have so far. What do you like to go in? Do you want to do graphics? Do you want to do web programming? Do you want to do video? Do you want to do animation? Pick one of those 4 that you think you're building with it, because it has to start with something in the first day here. Okay, and there's a certain point that once you go past, you cannot go back and change your topic with it. All right. Okay. other than this video, I'm going to open up the first discussion board, and then you're going to just give me some, tell me what you like to do and when do you plan to graduate. Okay. Alrighty.